8 surprising benefits of ginger backed by new science, and 1 dangerous mistake to avoid. What if the key to sharper focus, lower inflammation, less pain, better digestion, and even long-term disease protection was hiding in your kitchen all along? You've used ginger in stir-fries or tea, but what you haven't been told is just how powerful this little root really is. Welcome back to Holistic Habits, where we blend ancient wisdom with cutting-edge science. And in today's video, you'll discover 8 powerful, research-backed benefits of ginger that most doctors don't talk about, and 1 critical mistake that could actually put your health at risk if you're using ginger the wrong way. Stick with us until the end, because the final benefit might just change how you think about inflammation, pain, and even cancer. Let's get started. Number 1, ginger supercharges your brain and memory. Here's the science. Most people think ginger is just for nausea or digestion. But what if I told you it could literally sharpen your brain and protect your memory? Here's the truth. Chronic inflammation in the brain is a key driver behind cognitive decline, mood disorders, and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. But ginger is packed with gingerols and shogaols, bioactive compounds that don't just reduce this inflammation. They go deep, protecting brain cells at a molecular level. In one study out of Thailand, healthy middle-aged women who took a daily ginger extract significantly improved their reaction time, working memory, and attention span in just 2 months. That's not a fluke. Multiple studies now show ginger enhances brain function by increasing blood flow, calming overactive brain inflammation, and even encouraging the growth of new neurons. But here's the twist nobody talks about. Ginger also improves mood and stress resilience, thanks to its ability to regulate neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. So, you're not just thinking clearer. You actually feel better, more focused, and emotionally balanced. Whether you're trying to prevent memory loss, improve mental clarity, or simply feel more switched on, this humble root belongs in your daily routine. And that's only the beginning. Because what ginger does to chronic pain and inflammation, that's next. And it might just blow your mind. Number 2, ginger fights hidden inflammation, even the kind that causes autoimmune disease. You might not feel it, but inflammation could be silently attacking your body right now, from the inside out. It's the root cause of joint pain, fatigue, brain fog, and even life-threatening diseases. But ginger? It's one of the few natural remedies proven to fight this inflammation on multiple fronts. And the newest research is jaw-dropping. In a groundbreaking 2023 study, researchers found that just 7 days of ginger, specifically 20 milligrams of its active gingerols, made immune cells more resistant to a dangerous process called netosis. Sounds complex, but here's what it means. In autoimmune diseases like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis, your immune system goes rogue, releasing sticky traps called nets that damage your own tissues. Ginger helps stop those traps in their tracks. And this isn't just theory. In real-world studies, people with inflammatory conditions who took ginger daily reported less joint swelling, reduced flare-ups, and lower levels of pain-causing chemicals in their blood. But here's the twist most people miss. This same anti-inflammatory effect may help with skin issues, allergies, even asthma, because all of those are tied to immune overactivation too. So if you're dealing with mysterious aches, recurring flares, or autoimmune symptoms your doctor can't fully explain, ginger might be the missing piece. Stick around, because what ginger does for pain relief, especially joint and migraine pain, is even more shocking. And that's coming up next. Number 3. Ginger is nature's painkiller, but without the side effects. If you reach for painkillers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen for sore muscles, joint pain, or cramps, here's something you need to know. Ginger may offer the same relief, without wrecking your gut or liver. Multiple studies now confirm that ginger's pain-fighting powers go far beyond old wives' tales. In fact, one study from the University of Georgia found that people who took ginger daily for just 11 days experienced a 25% reduction in post-workout muscle soreness. That's a huge deal for anyone dealing with delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS after the gym or a long run. But it doesn't stop there. ginger has been shown to significantly reduce osteoarthritis pain, especially in the knees. In one clinical trial, participants with knee arthritis who took ginger extract daily had better mobility, less stiffness, and fewer flare-ups. And many were able to reduce their use of over-the-counter pain meds. But here's the part that shocked researchers. Ginger might rival pharmaceutical painkillers for menstrual cramps too. In one head-to-head study, women who took 500 milligrams of ginger powder daily for 5 days during their cycle experienced pain relief equal to that of ibuprofen and mefenamic acid, two of the most common period pain medications. And if you suffer from migraines, a clinical trial comparing ginger powder to the prescription drug sumatriptan, a common migraine treatment, found that ginger worked just as well to reduce headache pain and nausea, but with far fewer side effects. In fact, participants preferred ginger for its gentler action and fast relief. So whether you're an athlete pushing through soreness, a woman dealing with monthly cramps, or someone struggling with chronic joint pain or migraines, this one root could change your daily routine. And the best part? Ginger works with your body, not against it. Coming up next, how ginger goes far beyond nausea and supports your entire digestive system in ways most people never hear about. Number 4, ginger heals more than nausea. It transforms your entire digestive system. You've probably heard that ginger helps with nausea, but what if I told you that's just the beginning? While most people turn to ginger to calm motion sickness or morning sickness, the real magic lies in what it does to your entire gut. From the moment food hits your stomach to the last stage of digestion. Here's what science is now revealing. Ginger enhances gastric motility, which simply means it helps move food through your digestive tract faster and more efficiently. So instead of food sitting heavy in your stomach and causing that bloated, uncomfortable feeling, ginger nudges it along, easing indigestion and constipation. And there's more. Ginger actually stimulates digestive enzymes like trypsin and lipase, which break down protein and fat. That means less gas, less bloating, and better nutrient absorption from the food you eat. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Ginger may protect the lining of your digestive tract. In fact, studies show it can reduce gut inflammation, help prevent ulcers, and even support the gut-brain connection. For people with IBS or chronic bloating, ginger acts like a soothing balm, relaxing intestinal muscles and calming spasms that trigger pain. A 2024 scientific review found that taking just 2 grams of ginger daily could reduce symptoms of dyspepsia, protect against colorectal cancer, and rebalance gut bacteria. That's not just impressive, it's transformative. So the next time you feel sluggish after a meal or your stomach feels tight and uneasy, consider sipping ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to your meals. Up next, this golden root doesn't just help your gut, it protects your heart. And what researchers discovered in recent studies might surprise you. Number 5, ginger may be the natural heart protector you've been overlooking. Your heart might just love ginger more than your taste buds do. While this root is known for its flavor, researchers are now discovering something far more powerful. Ginger can support your cardiovascular system in ways most people have never heard of. Let's start with cholesterol. In a clinical trial, people who consumed just 5 grams of ginger powder daily for 3 months saw a significant drop in LDL cholesterol, the kind that clogs arteries. But here's the twist. They didn't just lower LDL, they also lost abdominal fat. That's 2 major heart risk factors tackled at once. And when it comes to blood pressure, ginger might work like a gentle, natural relaxant. It helps blood vessels expand and soften, which lowers resistance and brings high numbers down. One review found that ginger can reduce systolic blood pressure, the top number, by several points. That matters because systolic pressure is a major predictor of heart attacks and strokes, especially as we age. But wait, there's more. Ginger also has a mild blood thinning effect, which can help prevent unwanted blood clots from forming. This is key in avoiding blocked arteries, heart attacks, or even embolisms. However, this also means if you're already on blood thinners, caution is crucial. We'll cover that in the What Not to Do section. Altogether, ginger tackles inflammation, cholesterol, blood pressure, and clotting, 4 major pillars of heart health. And unlike synthetic drugs, it does it gently and holistically. So if you're over 40, dealing with high blood pressure, or just looking to future-proof your cardiovascular system, ginger isn't optional. It's essential. Coming up next, ginger's unexpected role in weight loss and blood sugar control, and how it's quietly helping people burn belly fat and stabilize their energy. Number 6, ginger can help you burn fat and balance blood sugar. Here's how. If you're struggling with belly fat or tired of constant energy crashes, this next benefit could be a game changer. You've heard of fat burners and blood sugar pills, but ginger, it's doing both and more. A major 2019 review showed that people who took ginger daily saw real results. Reduced body weight, lower waist-to-hip ratios, and even drops in BMI. But here's the kicker. Ginger doesn't work like a stimulant. It's not speeding up your heart or stressing your system. Instead, it targets inflammation, helps regulate appetite, and encourages something scientists call browning of fat cells, which basically turns white, stubborn fat into the type your body burns for fuel. But that's not all. Ginger also stabilizes your blood sugar, which is a big deal, especially if you're dealing with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. A 2022 meta-analysis found that just 1.2 to 3 grams of ginger powder daily significantly lowered fasting blood glucose and HbA1c, the gold standard for long-term sugar control. Why does this matter? Because erratic blood sugar doesn't just lead to diabetes. It triggers cravings, causes fatigue, and makes weight loss nearly impossible. So by calming your blood sugar and boosting your metabolism at the same time, ginger helps you finally break the cycle. And here's the twist nobody talks about. Many of these effects are dose-dependent and build over time. That means consistency matters. One ginger tea won't do it. But 1 cup a day over the next 30 days? That could transform your metabolism from sluggish to fat burning. Up next, a benefit that's even more surprising. How ginger affects your mood and mental health. You won't believe how deep this root goes. Number 7, ginger can lift your mood and calm anxiety naturally. This might sound strange, but ginger doesn't just heal your body. It can rewire your mood. You already know stress messes with your sleep, your weight, even your digestion. But here's the shocking part. Researchers are discovering that chronic inflammation may also be one of the root causes of depression and anxiety. And guess what fights that? You got it. Ginger. Inside ginger are compounds that reduce pro-inflammatory cytokines, the very substances that can mess with your mood-regulating brain chemicals. In animal studies, ginger increased serotonin and dopamine, the feel-good hormones we often associate with antidepressants. One 2021 study found that ginger acted similar to Prozac, boosting mood while reducing anxiety, without the side effects. But it gets even more interesting. Ginger may also help your body resist the toll of chronic stress. Researchers believe it can dial down the brain's fight or flight response by supporting the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis, the same system disrupted in anxiety disorders and PTSD. In plain English, ginger helps your brain stop overreacting to stress. So the next time you're overwhelmed, anxious, or simply feel emotionally off balance, don't just reach for sugar or caffeine. Brew a cup of ginger tea instead. It might not just soothe your stomach, it could center your mind. Stick around, because the final benefit might be the most shocking of all. It's about ginger's hidden role in the fight against cancer. And it's not just hype. 8. Ginger and cancer. Nature's hidden weapon? This is where things take a dramatic turn. Because while ginger is known for easing pain or helping digestion, what most people don't know is that this humble root is being studied for something far more serious. Its ability to fight cancer. Yes, really. Researchers have discovered that compounds in ginger, particularly 6-gingerol and 6-shogaol, can do something remarkable. They can disrupt the very mechanisms that allow cancer to grow, spread, and survive. In lab studies, ginger extract has been shown to trigger apoptosis. That's the scientific term for cancer cell suicide. Inhibit angiogenesis, cutting off the blood supply tumors need to grow. slow or stop tumor growth in models of colon, breast, liver, lung, and prostate cancer. One 2023 review even stated that ginger compounds could modulate multiple signaling pathways involved in carcinogenesis, essentially hitting cancer from multiple angles at once. But here's the twist nobody talks about. While chemotherapy can be effective, it also ravages healthy cells. That's where ginger might shine brightest, not as a replacement, but as a supportive agent. Some early-stage studies suggest ginger can enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy while protecting healthy cells and reducing treatment-related nausea and fatigue. In colon cancer trials, for instance, ginger extract was found to reduce tumor markers and improve tolerance to conventional drugs. Now let's be clear. Ginger is not a cure for cancer. It won't replace proven therapies, but it is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that may help lower your long-term risk and support the body during recovery. Even more encouraging? Ginger's safety profile is exceptional, making it one of the few natural compounds being seriously considered as a future cancer adjunct by oncologists. So whether you're focused on prevention or building resilience, daily ginger, whether in meals, tea, or supplement form, could be one of the smartest additions to your routine. Let's get to what not to do with ginger, common mistakes that can backfire. So, ginger is powerful, but here's where people go wrong. Mistake number 1, thinking more is better. Some people load up on ginger shots or megadose supplements thinking it'll supercharge their health. But high doses, especially above 3 to 4 grams per day, can cause heartburn, digestive upset, or diarrhea. Instead of healing your gut, it might end up inflaming it. The sweet spot? Around 1 to 2 grams daily from food or tea is enough to unlock real benefits for most people. Mistake number 2, mixing it with blood thinners without knowing the risk. Ginger has mild blood thinning properties. That's good for preventing clots, but if you're already on anticoagulants like warfarin or aspirin, it can increase bleeding risk. Planning surgery? Your doctor might ask you to stop high-dose ginger a week before. Always check in if you're taking meds or have a bleeding condition. Mistake number 3, taking it blindly during pregnancy. Yes, ginger helps nausea, but going overboard, especially in late pregnancy, might raise concerns due to its potential to stimulate uterine contractions. Stick to food level amounts and consult your OB/GYN before supplementing. Mistake number 4, believing extreme TikTok hacks. No, wrapping ginger around your waist won't burn belly fat. And no, ginger enemas or colon cleanses aren't just unnecessary. They can be dangerous. Stick to science, not pseudoscience. The real magic happens when ginger is used consistently, responsibly, and internally. Mistake number 5, using low-quality products. Powdered ginger can be contaminated with heavy metals or additives, and many capsules don't contain what they claim. Always buy from reputable brands, and if using raw ginger, go organic whenever possible to avoid pesticide residues. Ginger can be both a healer or a hazard. It all comes down to how you use it. Be smart, be strategic, and most importantly, be consistent. Let it support your brain, your heart, your digestion, and your resilience. But avoid the traps that turn a remedy into a risk. So whether you're focused on prevention or building resilience, daily ginger, whether in meals, tea, or supplement form, could be one of the smartest additions to your routine. And if you've stayed with us this far, here's your bonus takeaway. Pair your daily ginger with turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. These 3 ingredients work synergistically to enhance anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer benefits. It's like turning your spice cabinet into a pharmacy, without the side effects. Let's bring it back to you. Which of these ginger benefits surprised you the most? Still wondering if you're using ginger the right way? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more bold, research-backed ways to reclaim your health, naturally. Your next healing tool might already be in your kitchen. Thank you for watching.